Okay, Sangeeta, you can start.
Done.
Yes, you can start.
Please.
Yeah, we'll mute ourselves.
Just before we start, what is the participant count that we are having?
Sir, Abhishek, we will see that number. Now its number is coming.
No,
We
we have
have
started.
actually,
We have started
yes.
the webinar.
Webinars, we have started webinar. The people are joining now.
Okay.
We'll let you know in between the seminars. We'll let you know the number of rounds. Since working day, there are some around 80 people in the morning session. Until morning, they were registered. But we expect that some people registered in the last moment as well.
Okay.
And there is a lockdown in Oman from 8 o'clock. So probably people will be heading home and will be joining shortly.
So then,
Sangeeta,
can Smita ji go on mute, and then she can start her camera once her introduction part comes.
no issue, sir. No worries. Okay, Sangeeta, we can start.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Reviji. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. You all would know the importance of today. Yes, it is the International Day of Yoga. United Nations General Assembly declared June 21st as the International Yoga Day. This was declared on 11th of December 2014. Yoga is believed to be 5,000 and more years old. It's an wholesome, mental, physical, and spiritual practice. It originated in India and is an integral part of Indian society. Now, what does the word yoga mean? The word yoga is derived from the ancient Sanskrit language, which means union. The different or various disciplines facilitate the awareness and experience of the body, mind, and spirit integration. Yoga means different things to different people. For some, it is a way of life. For others, it's a way of discovering themselves. Those who are yet to start the yoga practice or come into the yoga path, please take advantage of these sessions and enjoy doing the actions. The fruits will be sweeter, no doubt, believe me. Those who are already in this path can refresh and gain more knowledge and information from our eminent speakers during these 3 days, today, tomorrow, and day after. Please ensure to attend all these 3 days as we have lined up different plans for each day. Our theme for the event is GYM. G, Gyan, Y, Yoga, and M, Meditation. Day 1, we would do inauguration with Gyan, which is today. The Gyan on tackling digital fatigue and embarking of the new era in business and its functioning. Tomorrow, day 2, we would have light yoga stretches followed with meditation. Day 3, day after tomorrow, breathing exercise to prevent COVID and improve the lung capacity, followed by meditation to reduce anxiety. I would like to stress here, while doing stretches and yoga, move and feel your body mindfully with every breath. The breath empowers and the sweat detoxes the body. Please do not overdo. There is no charm, no excitement in overdoing. Listen to your body. push yourself a little beyond the comfort zone without much stress, without much strain, but joyfully. Enjoy it. The meditations which would follow after the techniques which would be introduced by our eminent speakers during these 3 days will make the intellect sharper, emotions lighter. They will stabilize and accelerate the effects of the workout and stretches. As we all know, these 3 days yoga event has been coordinated and supported by 2 chapters, Muscat ICAI chapter and Kuwait ICAI chapter. So here we are to begin with the welcome address. And for this, may I request CA Ravi Deora, Chairman of Muscat ICAI chapter, to kindly welcome the members from Muscat.
Thank you, Sangeeta ji. Respected Chief Guest and Speaker of the Day, Smita Jaikar ji, CA Deepak Bindal ji, Chairman Kuwait Chapter, Executive Committee members of the Muscat and Kuwait chapters, and my dear friends, wish you all very happy International Yoga Day. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to our inaugural session of 3 days event on the theme GYM, that is Gyan, Yoga and Meditation, jointly in association with Kuwait chapter of ICAI. We are thankful to Smita Jaikar ji and her team for accepting our request to join us for today's event. Today we will discuss particular type of visual fatigue that is called digital fatigue, or this type of visual fatigue is the physical discomfort that experience after prolonged exposure to digital screen such as laptop, computer, mobile phone, and which we are used to in the digital world, and how meditation can help us to overcome this digital fatigue. This will we be learning from Smita ji. Today's event is more about Gyan, that is knowledge. Tomorrow we will learn some, today's event is more about Gyan than knowledge, along with some of the part of the meditation. Tomorrow we will have more details of the yoga tips, and day after tomorrow we will have more detailed session on the meditation. This is a complete fitness package, that is gym package. Without taking much of your time, I wish to thank you all for your support and encouragement to organize more and more such events. Some of the upcoming events are Grand CA Day celebration with all GCC chapters on 1st of July 2021, which we'll be announcing soon. Second is blood donation drive, which we have announced on 3rd of July. We want your support to make it successful. Third is that technical session planned on the smart cities in the mid of July 2021, which will be announced soon to you all. Your chapter also come up with a corporate membership plan to promote and encourage membership drive. So with this, yoga is the journey to the self, journey of the self to the self through the self. And yoga is 99% practice and 1% theory. So let's be practical. At last, I once again wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day and happy learning. Over to you, Sangeeta ji.
Thank you, Ravi ji. Now, may I request CA Deepak Bindal, the chairman of Kuwait ICAI chapter, to kindly welcome the Kuwait members and all the attendees who have joined us from Kuwait.
Thank you, Sangeeta ji. I, Deepak Bindal, Chairman of ICAI Kuwait chapter, welcome all the attendees from around the globe. I can see some of chartered accountants joining from US to Australia. And especially I welcome all the members of Kuwait and Muscat who are in majority here and attending this nice session going to be. International Yoga Day is very important for all of us because yoga originated from India And this day we are celebrating thanks to our current Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who mooted this idea in United Nations General Assembly in on 27 September 2014. And from 21st June 2015, we are celebrating this Yoga Day. The benefit of celebrating is we reaffirm our commitment to yoga, not only for this day, but we remind ourselves we have to implement it in our life each day of in the year. So yoga, and which consists of unity of mind and body, and thoughts and action, restraints and fulfillment, a holistic approach to health and well-being. So I know the Smitaji's profile, and I'm really excited. Audience will come to know about her profile very soon. So looking forward to the session. Over to you, Sangeeta.
Thank you. Thank you, Deepak ji, for the wonderful welcome address. Now, it's a time to introduce our special guest and speaker for our special event. She is one of the enchanting Bollywood actress. I am personally charmed by her motherly role, inspired by the way she carries herself. And while going through her profile, which says she is the go-to person for aura cleaning, spiritual transformation, and many more. And more of all of these is her beautiful, innocent smile. She does not need any intro, any special introduction. However, I would request CA Deepak Bindal to kindly welcome our eminent speaker for the day, Ms. Smita Jekar.
We all know how Smita Jekar is a well-known and recognized face and appreciated for her skills as a fine actor in cinema, television, and theater. She has been part of numerous blockbuster Bollywood movies. She is the author of 2 life-changing books and is a transformative speaker at TEDx. Smita ji is certified in 36 healing modalities. She is working for the over 35 years exploring and self-experimenting with various holistic and healing techniques. Smita ji has succeeded in evolving simple teachings and principles to help people live life to the fullest by conducting over 5,000 workshops and seminars with private groups, college students, business houses, corporates, professionals, non-profit organizations, and public at large. This is not only enough. She is also a specialist in automatic writing, meditate with me, chakra, cleansing, balancing, and aligning, spiritual diet, weight loss, transformation, entity cleaning, removal from human bodies, heaven answers, Havan with me, energizing yantras and crystals, spiritual guidance and counseling, spiritual transformation process, spiritual life coaching, and become a teacher certifications. Now, this is not I have done. Still, there is more to add. Her life's purpose is to support Maitreya Dadashriji's vision to transform humanity. Please help me welcome an artist, spiritual healer, meditation expert, transformative speaker, spiritual diet expert, and social worker. Smita ji, we welcome you. Over to you, Sangeeta.
Thank you, Deepak ji. Now, may I request CA Ravi Deora and the Muscat MC chapter members to kindly come on board so that we can have a picture together with Smita ji. You're on mute, Ravi ji.
Yeah, miss, okay. Kuwait chapter, if we can make a video of, yeah. Tuhin ji, yeah. Yeah. Now done. Rohit ji, yeah, that's it. Video off.
Who would take the honor of taking the picture?
Jim.
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am,
Done. Thank you.
okay,
Thank
ma'am, we
you.
have with
Thank
us
you,
our
Jim.
past chairman, immediate past chairman, Ramanand Prabhuji. Our past chairman, Mr. Ramanand Prabhuji, is just joined. This is, yeah.
Good.
Come on, Mr. Sir. Thank you. And
Well,
now we will
welcome
be,
on board.
yeah, thank you. So we'll stop the video and let Kuwait chapter start their video.
Yeah,
3 people only.
all the CA Kuwait chapter members, please, executive committee members, you can on your video. Ravindra, Umesh.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. We have, sir.
Thank
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Ravi ji, go on.
No, I think Sajbai is also there on the floor. I just saw him. Oh, she's, yeah.
Yeah, namaste, adab.
Sajbai is our past chairman, past vice chairman from.
Namaste, Smita ji. And normally मैं इतने ऑनलाइन सेशंस अटेंड नहीं करता, बट आपका चार्म ऐसा है कि रुका नहीं गया. मैं अभी ऑफिस में भी बैठा हूँ और आपका चार्म माशाल्लाह इतना अच्छा है और इट्स गुड टू नो दैट आप मतलब योगा भी सिखाती हैं माशाल्लाह. आपको देख के तो एक्टिंग ही सीख ले कोई, वही कम है. सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट आपके सेशंस के लिए और दिल से बहुत खुशी हुई आपको देख के. So all the very best and thank you very much, Ravi, for organizing and bringing her. It's
Thank
a
you, sir.
wonderful gesture.
Sajbai is right now in Bahrain, ma'am. He's right now in the Bahrain chapter active member in the Bahrain. Okay, thank you, Sajbai, for joining us from Bahrain.
Thank you very much. All the best, ma'am. And we're really looking forward for an enriched session. और प्लीज थोड़ी एक्टिंग की टिप्स भी शेयर कीजिएगा.
Oh my God. No.
थोड़ी सी तो हम वो भी जरा साथ के साथ सीखते चलें कि बॉस के साथ हम कैसे एक्टिंग करें, क्यों, ताकि हमें बोनस भी मिले, थोड़ी इंक्रीमेंट भी मिले, तो वो भी जरा प्लीज बताती चलिएगा. All the very best, ma'am, and it's a privilege and honor for me to be in the same screen with you. So really, from my family side, from my side, so all the very best, ma'am. God
Thank you,
bless.
Sajbai. Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay.
everyone. Thank you so much. So now, Smita ji,
Ji.
now the stage is all yours. Thank you. Thank you for joining us.
And just to announce, 73 members have joined up till now.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah, 73 members have joined up till now, just to keep you informed. And people will join. People will join.
Okay, so namaste and thank you, all of you, for inviting me on this platform, on this Yoga International Day. As somebody mentioned that I teach yoga. Also, I would like to correct, I don't teach yoga. I do yoga, but I don't teach yoga because there are too many things on my plate already. To start teaching yoga is one more thing which I can't do. And Khan साहब ने जैसे बोला कि मुझे हमें एक्टिंग टिप्स भी बताइए. मेरा कहना ये है कि हम एक्टिंग तो हर वक्त करते ही रहते हैं. When are we ourselves? We are constantly acting and we are always wearing masks on our face and doing that. हम अपने आप से मिले हैं क्या कभी? तो एक्टिंग ही करते हैं. तो खान साहब आपके लिए तो एक्टिंग तो हम रोज हर मिनट हर वक्त करते ही रहते हैं. तो इसमें टिप्स और कुछ देने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. We are all great actors on this stage of life. Coming to the topic of today's, as we said, digital जो हमको fatigue होता है. Now this is self-created. If we want, we can stop digital fatigue. Okay, there are certain things which are done online, which is your office working hours. You have to be online in today's days and the year that we went through. There was no choice. I can understand that. But there are people who went beyond their job hours, working hours also, and they were constantly in front of the laptop or whatever that you were using. So obviously it's going to cause you more digital fatigue. If your office hours are from 9 to 6, stick to those office hours. When you're physically working, you left the office at a particular time, right? And then maybe you were on the phone or something, whatever it is, but you left the office. Why are you stretching it to 9 o'clock in the night again, 9 to 9? That is your choice. You can say, I'm sorry. Even if you're a professional, even if you're there are doctors, lawyers, doctors ka to job hi hai insaan ko bachana. So doctors I would not include in this because their mission of life is completely different. But lawyers, CA, anybody else who's in the profession, they can definitely, this is your choice. There are so many people, there are so many lawyers and chartered accountants, they say, sorry, I work this time to this time. उसके बाद मेरा दुकान बंद हो जाता है. बॉम्बे में कितने सारे ऐसे लोग हैं, तो ये आपकी choice है, which we don't use. And then we say that, I'm so stressed out. So stress is in our hands, whether we want to take it or not. Secondly, there are people who cannot do without the mobile. मतलब 1 minute अगर आपको शांति से कहीं बैठना हो या किसी का wait करना हो, you're constantly doing something or the other on the mobile. That is your choice. Why do you want to look at the mobile every time? You don't know what to do. Your mind wants to be occupied all the time. वो time आप अपने आप को देते ही नहीं है. चलो sit down quietly, hush. 2 minute मैं सांस ले सकता हूँ, 2 minute मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगा, 2 minutes I'll just close my eyes and sit for whatever. Do we do that? That is your choice, है ना? There are people who take telephones to the bathroom. जरूरत है उसकी? क्या कोई भी आपके लिए 10 मिनट तक रुक नहीं सकता है? रात को फोन ऑन होता है, बाजू में रखा हुआ होता है आपके. It's on. Why? जब मोबाइल नहीं था तब क्या होता था? We ourselves in our lifetimes, we have lived that life when there were no mobiles, when there were just landline phones. Everything functioned, everything happened very well. Everything takes care of itself. We are chasing more than what the earth can give us or the planet can give us or the 24 hours can give us. We are chasing, we are going beyond that. We are stretching ourselves, which is your choice. And then we have no business and right to complain, mujhe stress hai. It is brought upon yourself. And then when you get into that stress, then you go into a vortex. Then you don't know how to get out of it. And many a times you love that stress. There are lots of people I've seen, professionals, they love the stress. They love to feel important. They love to feel ki, oh, kitna sara kaam hai. Yeah, it is a ego, it is a kick. It's an ego booster. Just honestly tell me, how many of you are in that state, which is, it's an ego booster. And then you say, oh my God, I'm so stressed out. Who has asked you to bring it on yourself? Another thing about stress actually is a very positive thing. We think stress is a negative word. It's not. My master, Maitreya Dadashriji, he was explaining to us, he's a doctor, basically a doctor who's now teaching spiritual things, spirituality. So he was telling us, stress releases this particular chemical called oxytocin in the body, in the brain. The demand of oxytocin is to connect with each other, जो कि हम नहीं करते हैं. Because we don't do it, the chemical reacts in a different way, which causes us stress and tension. What causes us stress? Because we have no, हमको वो आदत नहीं है किसी और के साथ share करने की. कई बार सब कुछ मैं करूँगा, सब कुछ मैं करूँगी. I can do it. No, I don't know. I can't give it to my junior, or I can't give it to somebody else. They will mess it up. I will do it. Why can't you divide the work? It's not like acting कि आपके लिए कोई और role करेगा. We have no choice. I can't say some clone of mine will come and do my role. But so many people can. You all can do that, right? Any other profession can do it. In our profession, when people say we have stress, don't take up so much work. वो greediness जो है, मैं ये भी रोल करूँगा, वो भी रोल करूँगा, वो भी करूँगा. You just can't say no. And then you're stressed out and all the dates come together. There's no time. How can you be at all places? Then I'm stressed out. I don't have dates. Why do you take up so much work? Why do you chew more than, why do you bite more than what you can chew? So everything actually is in your hands. Why do we blame someone for that? Why do we even blame stress for that? Because you brought it on yourself. This is self-inflicted. Do you agree with me on that? Yeah. So now this new, because of that, the whole lifestyle has changed. The whole business concepts have changed. The whole world has changed. Okay, now these are lifestyle diseases that people have got. So in the past whole 1 year, people are in front of the laptops and doing work from home and everything online. So a lot of people have got this spondylitis, back problems, this, that, and the other. Sleep issues have been like universal. Every person is talking of sleep issues. नींद नहीं आती, नींद नहीं आती, नींद नहीं आती. जब स्ट्रेस था तब भी नींद नहीं आती. जब इधर उधर भाग रहे थे तब भी नींद नहीं आ रही. अब घर में बैठे हो तब भी नींद नहीं आ रही. ये तो मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या है. Something to be thought about. नींद नहीं आती. What to do with that? So these are new lifestyle diseases that people have developed in the whole of 1.5 years. Now, in the whole of 1.5 years, there have been new businesses that have cropped up. Like there are these online classes जो चल रहे हैं. मैं पहले कभी online कुछ भी नहीं करती थी. Now everything of mine is online. So I will say COVID has been very damn good for me. यार. कहीं आना जाना नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, सब घर में बैठो, on करो, laptop and finished. I mean, that's it. All my classes, everything is going on online for me. So, जो online business कर सकते हैं, उनके लिए तो बहुत बढ़िया हो रहा है. But if you have not thought out of the box कि मैं क्या करूं, they are frustrated and they are getting into that zone. They pull down, वो sadness है, they don't know what to do with themselves. Like home catering services and all that, जो catering कर रहे हैं, खाने का तो वो तो, at least in Mumbai, it's booming. Because you're tired of cooking food at home the whole day long. We are used to going to restaurant and this, that, which is not possible now. So we can order food from outside. That is again booming. So it depends. Lots of people have shifted their businesses. So you have to think out of the box. Now, what happens is not everybody can think out of the box. There is where I come in. Now, when you talk of yoga, mind, body, and soul, I would say I come where the mind and the soul is. With the body, I will connect it to the breath. Let's come to the, how do you handle this kind of a problem? Now, हम लोग हैं situation में भी उसको handle कैसे करें? Okay. Breathing, breath watch is the topmost type of meditation one can ever do. Why? Because when you're watching your breath, at this point in time, you are in the now. You can't breathe in the past. You can't breathe in the future. You can only breathe in the now. So when you're watching your breath, you're in the now. In the now, there is no stress. You are thinking about stress or what happened or what will happen. That causes stress. Now, there is no stress at this moment. So when you watch your breath, you're in the now. In the now, there is no stress. So whenever you have any time free, instead of a free time, if you all want, like a stress buster, people play Candy Crush and all those kind of things. So stop doing that. When you have some free time, even if it's for 20 to 30 seconds, watch your breath. Your mind will take you here, there, here, there. You have to train that mind. Then get back the thoughts over here. Because once you lose track, then you're gone in the past and future. So you have to be in the now. It is a conscious effort. थोड़ा time लगता है उसको, उसकी आदत डालने को, but that is a conscious effort to be in the now. Okay, that's why that's the best form of meditation. If you can even do for 20 seconds without your mind going running here and there, you're set. Breath watch. Yeah. Secondly, when you come, this is the mind and the breath, what I was telling you about, is the soul. Mind, body, and soul is where my job is. Now, what has happened is no institution, no school, no college has ever taught us anything about ourselves. हमको दुनिया भर की खबर है, आकाश में क्या होता है, पाताल में क्या होता है, इसके बियॉन्ड क्या होता है, सब मालूम है हमको, सबकी खबर लगते हैं हम लोग, लेकिन मैं क्या हूं इसकी खबर कोई किसी को मालूम ही नहीं है। मैं कौन हूं, why am I here on this planet, who am I, nothing, nobody knows about it. Like when I talk of chakras, chakra is one particular aspect of the body, mind and soul, which I have gone deep into deep study about the chakras. When I take a class, when I ask people how many people know about the chakras, you won't believe there are about 3 or 4 hands which come up and say, okay, we've heard about it, suna hai, pada hai, kisi ne bola hai. Excuse me. But where are those chakras? What do they do in our life? How do they affect our all body, mind and soul? Kuch bhi malum nahi hai kisi ko. It is unfortunate, and let me tell you, chakras, why I like chakras is because it is universal. It does not belong to any ism. Every human being born on this planet is born with these energy centers. Westerners may call it, give it whatever name it wants, but it is the chakras, Kundalini chakras. Every human being is born with this, whether you believe it or not. If your chakras are aligned and activated, 85 to 90% of your problems will get solved there only. So अगर इतना हेल्प है हमको, अगर ये करते हैं चक्रास, तो किसी को अभी तक उसके बारे में मालूम ही नहीं है. योगा 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 हम लोग करते हैं. योगा इज आवर्स, राइट? इंडिया से आया हुआ, हमारे वेदा से आया हुआ वो है शास्त्र, योग शास्त्र. उसको योगा का नाम दिया है. इट्स नॉट योगा, इट्स योग शास्त्र. Correct? But when the Westerners picked it up, repacked it, and they sold it back to us, so now everybody is doing yoga and yoga, International Yoga Day and this day and that day. हमारी चीज हमको ही बेची जा रही है और हम we are lapping it up. There is nothing like this power yoga and hot yoga, and then where does it come from? We don't have that in our yoga. ये है ही नहीं. But we have lapped it up and we are enjoying all those things. अभी मैंने बीच में सुना था, there's something called beer yoga. So what is beer yoga? You mean you drink beer every time you do an asana? What? They have really absolutely just completely messed it up. And we are celebrating International Yoga Day without knowing what yoga is, what it's supposed to do with us. So we don't know anything about ourselves at all. इंटरनलाइज होना हम अपने आप से कब मिलेंगे, जैसे मैंने पहले पूछा आपको. We are so far away from ourselves, so far away. कभी पूछा है अपने आप से? No, we are so far away from ourselves completely. And then because there is no connect between yourself and you, we are facing all kinds of problems. And then we say, we have stress and we have this and we have that. You will never have any of these things if you know certain things in your life, and they're so simple. I'll give you one trick. I'll give you one thing. I don't know how many people are going to do it, or you'll start laughing at me at this. But everything is in these 10 fingers of ours. If you clap your hands, keeping your hands like this, okay, fingers like this, spread. It's like how you will say it's like the eunuchs, how they clap their hands, but this is what it is. If you do this clapping for 2 minutes every day, you will not have problems. Trust me on this. 2 minutes. It's all in our hands. 2 minutes of this clapping. Shilpa ma'am, if you try it and you come back to me after a month and tell me what you feel. Just clapping our hands. हर चीज अपने अंदर है, लेकिन हमको मालूम कहाँ है? This sounds so simple, right? It is so simple. See, that brings a smile on your face also. When it brings a smile on your face, all the happy chemicals are released in your brain. Simple techniques. हम क्यों रोते बड़े, मुझे stress है हमेशा. Eyes are frowned, your forehead is frowned. When your forehead is frowned, your third eye chakra gets blocked, my dear children. How many of you all know that? And you're constantly frowning. You're looking at each other also frowning. You say hi to somebody also frowning. Hi. अरे भाई smile करो ना. Simple चीजें हैं life की. Life is really simple. We make it so complicated unnecessarily. We don't need to do that. So everything is in our hands. Why are we so stressed out? डिजिटल फटीग कितनी बार आपको ये मौका है कि आप लैपटॉप के सामने ना बैठे, कितनी बार ये मौका मिलता है आपको. नहीं, लेकिन आपको वो आदत पड़ गई है. अगर लैपटॉप नहीं है तो फोन तो है ही. In the night also, even after you shut down your laptop, in the night also you'll sit checking किसका मैसेज आया, इसके ऊपर क्या चल रहा है, उसके ऊपर क्या चल रहा है. You only keep those gadgets in your hand. Who has asked you to do that? And then you're complaining about digital fatigue? Not fair. सब हम ही करेंगे और हम ही complain करेंगे.
Very true, ma'am.
Yeah, exactly. So, I mean, when we complain, we have to think, क्यों complain कर रहे हैं हम लोग? Human mind is so used to complaining. Human mind is so used to judging. Human mind is so used to किसका नुक्स निकालना. हर चीज में कुछ नुक्स निकालते रहो. ये आदत है हमारी. जैसे हमारा जन्मसिद्ध हक है, अधिकार है. इससे जरा हटे ना थोड़ा सा. Life is really not as complicated as we make it out to be. What I'm telling you, is it difficult for you all to do? Is it difficult for you to 20 seconds breath watch every day? Is it difficult to just shut your phone and keep it away in the night at least? So many bathroom में phone ना ले जाए आप please. ये तो कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? एक दिन वो shower लेते वक्त भी वो phone आपके हाथ में होगा. वो phone को भी shower दे दो आप. इतनी आदत होगी, it become an attachment, as if it is stitched to your hand or ear or whatever. Actually, these are very simple things, and we are just making a big issue out of it. Digital fatigue and all that. Big words we love to use. क्या है इसमें यार? तो एक तो आप ये करें कि आप 20 seconds at least आप बैठ के breath watch करें. Be in the now. Secondly, just clap, my dear friends. Just clap for 2 minutes every day. It's so nice to clap. जो आपको देखेगा वो भी हंसेगा, आप भी हंस देंगे. घर के लोगों को भी बोलो कि भाई मेरे please do this for me. Come on, clap. This is so simple. Of course, then you want to get into a complication. If you want to really study and get into it, then of course you'll have to call me or my team. If you want to really get deeper into the chakras and what exactly they do in your body and what importance they have in your body and all those other modalities which I have, you all are most welcome. We can form a special group for you people who are in the CAs outside of India. We can form a group and we can do it for you as a group. I have no problem. But there's a very big but. Very big but. Ma'am, time. Immediately when I said time, he said, oh yeah.
Yeah.
अपने आप के लिए टाइम कभी नहीं होता है. पूरी दुनिया के लिए टाइम होता है, लेकिन अपने आप के लिए टाइम नहीं होता है. एक चीज मैं आपको बोलूं, your soul needs to be nurtured. Not by just doing the physical activities like yoga and all that, but it needs to be nurtured. Because आपके साथ in the afterlife जो चला जाएगा is your soul. And when the physical body is left, your soul is looking so undernourished. हर चीज की आप you take care of your body and beauty and hair and clothes and this, that and the other, figure सब चीज. लेकिन soul का खुराक उसका क्या? Mind का खुराक है thoughts. शरीर का खुराक है अन्न. सोल का खुराक, बॉडी माइंड एंड सोल। बोलते तो हैं बड़ी बड़ी चीजें, लेकिन उसका किसी ने ध्यान दिया है इसके ऊपर, सोल के ऊपर? उसकी नरिशमेंट क्या है? Zero. So when you leave your physical body, your soul will be very undernourished. That's the only thing that will go with you. Your body भी हम इधर ही छोड़ के जाते हैं, जिसके हम इतना क्या क्या करते हैं बॉडी के लिए, वो भी इधर ही छोड़ के जाते हैं. The only thing that will go with your soul, and we have no time to look at our souls. We have no time for ourselves. And then on top of it, we have the damn audacity to say, ma'am, I'm stressed out. Hello, I'm sorry. I will not entertain that word. You have various means of not getting stressed out. Do that. Think about it. Complain करना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन इस कंप्लेन को हम सुधारे कैसे, इसका कोई हल नहीं है हमारे पास. इसके बारे में हम सोचते भी नहीं है. So smile, guys. खान साहब स्माइल करें हम जरा. अच्छा लगता है चेहरा हर किसी का जब स्माइल करते हैं. see how nice you feel. Don't you feel nice internally when you smile? Tell me honestly.
Feel very happy when we smile.
Yeah, obviously. And सामने वाला जो आपको चेहरा देखता है उसे भी अच्छा लगता है स्माइल कर रहे तो.
I remember
yes,
my friend had told me, smile, it improves your face value. Then
yes,
you can see that.
Yes, and
Just improves the face value.
है ना, ये बोटॉक्स करने की जरूरत नहीं है फिर आपको. जब आप स्माइल करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो मसल स्ट्रेच हो जाते हैं. There is no need to do any botox. But हमेशा ऐसी चेहरा ऐसा हमेशा फ्राउनिंग, जैसे पता नहीं सर पे ऊपर क्या रखा है आपके. Honestly, if you keep on constantly frowning, your third eye gets blocked. So these are simple things. मतलब स्माइल करना, फ्राउन नहीं करना, ये सारी चीजें अपने हाथ में है. तालियां बजाना, ये अभी इससे और सिंपल क्या हो सकता है. My master Dadashi ji always says spirituality is simpler than the word simple. मुझे कभी कभी लगता है जो कि इतना सिंपल है इसके लिए हम उस मार्ग पे नहीं चलते. Because it's so, अरे what is she telling me to clap, be mad or what? नहीं करेंगे. What is she telling me to smile all the time? I've got so much of stress on my head. How can I smile? नहीं करेंगे. छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, हम नहीं करेंगे. They're so simple. Actually, life is really simple. We make it complicated. We make it complicated. It is really so simple. And I am telling you because I have led this kind of life. I've been in the glamour world. It's very stressful in the glamour world. Even probably more stressful than any other profession, because your one movie is hit for, especially for these youngsters who play hero and heroine. एक movie hit हो गई तो आप कहीं हैं. अगर वो flop होगी तो चलो आप वापस कहीं और. Like if they don't get now at my age, suppose if you're like acting and you have nothing to fall back upon, अगर आपको roles नहीं मिलते, आपको कोई phone नहीं आता है, तो they go in a kind of a zone. You can't do anything about it. So many of our actors, television actors and all, have committed suicide in the whole of last year. So many. Because they don't know what to do. So you need to fall back on something. जो masks लेके घूमते हैं ना हम लोग, how many masks we wear on ourselves, especially actors. We are constantly playing roles, you know. तो इस रोल का मास्क, उस रोल का मास्क, उस रोल का मास्क. कितने मास्क तो अपने आप से कब मिलना होता है, जब बुढ़ापा आता है. तो बाल सफेद होते हैं, ऐनक लग जाता है, glasses you have to wear, you can't read. मोटे थोड़ा सा मोटापा आ जाता है. Then is when the self starts hitting you so hard. You can't accept yourself becoming old and this, that graceful. Accept very, very few actors and actresses have grown old gracefully. It's a part of life. तो इतनी insecurity कभी किसी और प्रोफेशन में शायद ही होगी जितनी insecurity actors को होती है. So it's, you know, we have to somewhere connect with ourselves. Yes, we are all actors in our life. I said that right in the beginning. We are all actors, so we don't need to really learn acting. We are all actors. But हम लोग acting में भी acting करते हैं. तो अपने आप से मिलना ये आपका होना चाहिए लाइफ में. एटलीस्ट यू शुड हैव दिस थॉट कि मैं अपने आप से कब मिलूं. When will I meet myself? And don't wait till the end of your life, because by then it's too late, and you leave this body or this planet with an undernourished soul. Please remember, we need to nourish our souls. So if you're talking of yoga, this is the Gyan Yoga, this is body, mind and soul का अगर ये combination है yoga, तो हम सिर्फ body को पर ही ध्यान देते हैं. बहुत सारे योग करना. Lot of people do yoga to lose weight. Actually, it's a balance of the body, mind and soul, not just for losing weight that you do yoga. But समझ ही नहीं पाए योग exactly है क्या. उसका इतना distort हो गया है सारा कि anything is happening under the name of yoga. So when they say pranayam, that is breath control, breathing in different ways, that anulom vilom, or other kapalbhati or any other types of pranayam that you do. That is again breath control. Breath is such an important thing of our life. It is because of the breath that you are. Breath khatam, aap khatam. कभी हमने acknowledge किया है breath को बैठ के? आप खुद सोच लीजिए. Have you ever acknowledged your breath? Thank God I'm breathing, so I'm alive. आज चंद सांसों के लिए लोग वेंटिलेटर पे हैं. They are paying through their nose. जो हमें फ्री में मिल रहा है. कदर की कभी? So, कभी तो कदर कीजिए जो नेचर ने हमको दिया है. हम अपने में ही लगे रहते हैं. Do you agree with me or no? So,
Yes, ma'am.
So from now on, at least implement these small things. उसके लिए बहुत टाइम भी नहीं लगता है. They're a matter of few seconds. उसके लिए ऐसे नहीं कि आपको सुबह को उठ के कुछ करना है. बैठे बैठे just watch your breath. घर में आओ तो तालियां बजाओ. What is there? I mean, it's just simple things. Can we not implement and improve our life a little bit at least? देखिए तो सही करके क्या होता है. Right? And smile. Smiling itself, when you smile itself, अपने आप को भी अच्छा लगता है, सामने वाले को भी अच्छा लगता है. See, when I'm smiling, all of you all are smiling, automatically smile आ रही है सबके चेहरे पे. This is what smile does. पूरा atmosphere change हो जाता है. माहौल पूरा हल्का हो जाता है when you smile. You come with that stress. घर वाले भी डरते हैं, बाप रे क्या हो गया, इनका मूड शायद ठीक नहीं है, इनके साथ बात मत करिए. Isn't it? So simple things implement in life. That's all I got to say. I don't want to give very big lectures and all that. First start implementing small things in life, then we'll talk of big things in life. So if you want to ask me any questions, please go ahead and ask.
Small session on the meditation, because I know that you are doing some meditation. Can you have 10 minutes of meditation with us?
So I will suggest you, let's do the Om meditation. Now, why Om? Now, again, a lot of people think Om is Hinduism related. It is not. Om is not Hinduism related. Om is the sound of the universe. जो vacuum है, वहाँ पे जो आवाज आती है, vacuum की भी एक आवाज होती है. Vacuum की आवाज, if you, this is what NASA also has said, that vacuum की आवाज is going in. The sun and the planets also have their own sounds. That also NASA has said, and you can check on the YouTube. Sun and the other planets also resonate in the Om. When you say the word Om, nothing in the mouth moves. No tongue, palate, teeth, which you require for any other word to be spoken. You try that. Om. When you say, nothing in the mouth moves. Correct? Okay. Now, har cheese, every word formation resonates in the Om. बर्तन भी नीचे गिरता है तो उसकी आवाज आती है कि नहीं? There is no sound, there is no word formation without Om. Okay, so Om is the primordial sound. वहीं से सारा शुरू हो गया. It is not Hinduism related at all. When you say Amen, when you say Amin, हर एक के लिए टंग की मूवमेंट होती है, ओम के लिए नहीं. अभी आप ये देखिए, अगर आपको वक्त मिलता है तो ये प्रैक्टिस करके देखिए. इफ यू से ओम नमः शिवाय with this resonance of the Om, instead of saying Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya 108 बार, if you say it like Om Namah Shivaya, इस तरह से आप बोलेंगे, even if it is for 11 minutes, 11 times, it's much better than just saying Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya 108 times.
Great, man.
तो वाइब्रेशन आती है ओम के साथ में, उसको पकड़ना है अपने को.
Yes, ma'am.
The frequency of that Om. Okay, so just now all of us, we can back straight, chin parallel to the ground. We'll close our eyes, we'll center ourselves for some time, watch our breath. I'll guide you through it, and we'll say Om 11 times.
Okay, ma'am.
So your hands can be either in this mudra, on your lap, palm facing upwards, back straight, chin parallel to the ground, and close our eyes. We will start. I will also say it with you. So let's close our eyes and center yourself completely. Connect to your core, to your astitva. Watch your breath for a couple of seconds. Now take a deep breath and we'll do the Om chanting for 11 times. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the vibrations in your body. Observe your breath. You gently rub your palms, put them on your eyes, and open your eyes.
Fantastic.
Fantastic, man. Very nice.
Very,
So
very
this-
relaxed.
Yeah, this is also, there are ways and means of relaxing yourself. You really don't have to do very heavy stuff. It is so simple. So ये भी आप कर सकते हैं. 11 बार ओम बोलना कभी भी दिन में. You don't have to really get up and in the morning. If you don't have time, you do it at night. If you do it at night and sleep, you'll sleep very well. जो complain करते हैं ना लोग, नींद उनकी नहीं हो रही बराबर. You know, lots of people have been complaining in this that their sleeping routines have gone haywire. नींद नहीं आती. Do Om 11 times and go to sleep. You will sleep very peacefully. So simple meditations हैं. तो करें तो फायदा आप ही का है, मेरा नहीं है. Unfortunately, I don't get the credit of it. So करेंगे तो आप ही के लिए है. अगर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, आपको just ask and you shall receive is always said in the Bible. Remember? तो solutions बहुत सारे हैं. आपके स्ट्रेस के लिए, आपकी वरीज के लिए, आपकी कोई भी हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए, रिलेशंस के लिए, एवरीथिंग हैज अ सॉल्यूशन. ऐसा कोई भी ताला नहीं बना है जिसकी चाबी नहीं है. तो पहले चाबी बनती है, फिर ताला बनता है, याद रखिए. सो एवरी प्रॉब्लम कैन बी सॉल्व्ड और डिसॉल्व्ड. राइट? ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो सॉल्व नहीं हो सकता या डिसॉल्व नहीं हो सकता इस यूनिवर्स में. यूनिवर्स इज नॉट बिल्ट लाइक दैट. Okay, guys, thank you so much. So you all want to ask any questions, you all are most welcome.
Prabhu ji. Ye Prabhu.
Haji?
Some questions. Ramanand Prabhu ji, are there?
There is something in the chat. आप chat अगर देखें तो किसी के सवाल हैं तो हम
Take it over from chat. Some questions.
So एक कोई है जो बोल रहे हैं आज
Analyst, one of the attendees has written, there is too much stress in work from home. Is there any?
That's what we just, the whole thing we spoke only about stress at the moment. So whether you work from home or whether you work outside home, stress is a factor which is self-created. Earlier on also, you all complain, everyone complain, all of us complain about stress, whether it was not, even if it was not work from home. So अगर आपको stress लेना है तो आप काम नहीं भी करेंगे तो भी आपको stress होगा. Tell me how you're all willing not to work at all. Will that work with you? काम ही नहीं है, job ही नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. Those people are also stressed out because they don't have a job. They don't have work. आपके पास काम है तो स्ट्रेस है, नहीं काम है तो स्ट्रेस है. क्या करेगा बेचारा ऊपर वाला. हर कोई कंप्लेन करता है. बोला है बहुत काम है इसके लिए स्ट्रेस है, कोई बोले मेरे पास काम ही नहीं है, काम दो इसके लिए उसको स्ट्रेस है. Stress.
Ma'am, he has asked again that how can we manage stress better?
I just told you all certain ways. एक तो है स्माइल है, एक तो है तालियां बजाओ या ओम बोलो 11 बार 21 बार. सिंपल थिंग्स तो करो. That word stress is stressing me out. Unnecessary. It is absolutely self-inflicted. I will not, honestly, it's no point talking about it because we just make a big issue out of this stress. Which is
yeah. There's another question from Narayan Kumar. Is it possible to observe the thoughts and choose which one we want to pay attention and which one to ignore?
Yes, it is, but you be spiritually quite uplifted for that. ये ऐसे नहीं होगा. You have to know which thought you should be given more importance to and which not. But that is a little difficult process. I mean, difficult in some, you have to be into spirituality for some time to understand that. It,
And there's a question from Miss Pooja Handa. She says that whenever I try to meditate, all things come in front and I can't concentrate.
अगर क्या है ना, हर चीज के लिए हमारे पास एक्सक्यूजेस होते हैं. Like I want to go on a diet, but मैं क्या करूँ? I'm been invited every night for dinner, तो मैं क्या करूँ? देखिए, जो चीज हमें करनी है ना, उसके लिए हमको टाइम निकालना है, उसके लिए डेडिकेशन चाहिए. Something you want to do, you will do. If you don't want to do, excuses बहुत है. You have to decide. It's your life. करना क्या है आपको लाइफ के साथ? You have to decide.
No, I think she meant that when she meditates, instead of having a blank mind, she gets a lot of thoughts in her mind. So she's asking, that's okay.
That is right.
That will happen. It is not initially, it will never happen. That's why I said in the beginning, when you start watching your breath, your mind will run off, but get it back. But do it. Just because your mind runs away, everybody's mind runs away. And you cannot do a meditation which is a thoughtless meditation. It is not possible. You can only be thoughtless if you're in coma.
Very well said, yeah. There is another question from Mr. Hussein Kabir. He asks, could you please tell us more about chakras and how,
How to make
And-
use.
How to make use of them.
So it is not possible to say it in such a short, because it's a very big explanation. ऐसे 2 मिनट में 4 मिनट में मैं नहीं बोल सकती उसको. But I have a video on YouTube. Guys, you can please subscribe to my video channel. I have got about 500-600 videos on spirituality. उसमें आपको बहुत सारी चीजें मिलती भी जाएंगी. तो हुसैन साहब, आप मेरा वो वीडियो देखिए जो चक्रा के ऊपर है मेरे YouTube पे. इसको आप अगर देखें और उसको अगर चक्रा मेडिटेशन आप करें, तो it will be helpful for you. Definitely helpful for you.
there is another
Yes.
question from C.A. Rabindranath, who asks, is anxiety during these times normal and how can it be controlled?
Anxiety is not normal. Certainly not. Actually, anxiety all depends. Anxiety, panic attacks, low feeling, the poor me attitude. All this is because your Mooladhara, the root chakra, the Mooladhara chakra has gone a little wonky. It's not functioning properly. So this is all based on your chakra, basically. All the stress and all these things will get out if you start doing the chakra meditation, which is there on YouTube. अगर हम वो करें, वो मेडिटेशन का क्लास वो जब होगा तब होगा, पर एटलीस्ट शुरुआत तो करें आप चक्रा मेडिटेशन करने के लिए. वो जो मेरे YouTube पे है, बहुत सारा है. Lots of things are there on my YouTube. How nature helps us. Oh my God. Nature helps us in various ways. This is Gyanesh who's asked this. Nature helps us in various ways. Nature तो पहले breath लेना शुरू करो, वो nature का ही part है. पहले इसके ऊपर तो concentrate करें. There are basic things which are there which we don't use. Nature has got a huge. Again, I've got a video on nature also. What nature does to us. So all these questions of yours actually can be all answered if you'll check on my YouTube videos. I've got most of them are there.
There's also a question from Anaptur, saying simple tool to take care of our soul, like mind and body.
Simple tool. Where is that question? I can't see that.
I think it's just below Hussein Kabir's question, where he has asked about chakras.
Hussein Kabir, can nature help us? And all? What is the question again? Can
Simple tool to take care of our soul, like
simple
mind and body. Yeah, tool.
to take care of our soul?
Hmm.
पहले आपके पास सोल है, ये आप पहला कायम कर लीजिए. ये है कुछ मेरे अंदर जिसकी हमको निगरानी करनी है, जिसकी हमको देखभाल करनी है, ये फर्स्ट. And all these simple things what I told you now, start implementing those. Start doing the chakra meditation. This is a very simple tool. Actually, there are the tools are so simple. Like what I said is smile, clap, say the Om. These are simple tools. इससे simple क्या हो सकता है? तो यही simple tool है. इससे simple क्या हो सकता है? तालियां बजाने से simple क्या हो सकता है? बताइए आप मेरे को. So these are very simple tools. The thing is, you should do it. That's all.
I think we should do it as a group right now for a minute.
Chalo, karo. So it has to be like this. Who's going to keep the time?
Dear team, everybody should.
1 minute. Great.
Great.
You suddenly start feeling energetic. You observe yourself. The mood change ho jata hai. It's a mood changer, literally.
I think the vibrations, you can feel the vibrations as well.
Yeah. You know why? Because there are chakras in our tips of our fingers. Aadhe chakras is haath mein, aadhe chakras is haath mein hai. So when you clap, they get activated. I mean, they get energized. Because zara zor aata hai. That's why hamara namaskar, jo bolte hain na, namaskar is the best form of greeting. Your yin and yang gets balanced in this. Both the chakras join ho jate hain. Good.
There is a very beautiful message for you. Smita Jekar ma'am, your talk was simply splendid. Not only complex topics were dealt with in your characteristic aplomb, but you made it look at these topics are not easy to learn and imbibe. Thank you very much in sharing your thoughts from C.A. Chandrasekhar.
Actually, these are very simple. I'm telling you, spirituality is simpler than the word simple. लेकिन हम लोग complicated चीजों में attract हो जाते हैं, चीजों से attract हो जाते हैं. ज़्यादा complicated हो वो फिर भी हमको complaint होती है, बाबा this is too complicated for me, I can't do it. तो humanity has to decide कि उनको चाहिए क्या life में. We don't know what we want ourselves. हमारा problem यही है. Stability नहीं है. Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, there is one more question from C.A. Shahnawaz. He has written, ma'am, can singing or other art be a stress buster?
Absolutely.
Busy and positive mind can help.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Singing, dancing, they're very, very, very great stress busters. Great, great stress. Artists, painters, great stress busters. If you're doing that, fantastic. Lovely. That'll be.
शाहनवाज भाई अभी हैं तो कोई शेर हो जाए, कोई गाना हो जाए, बहुत
ये गाते भी हैं क्या?
बहुत गाते हैं जी ये.
क्या बात है, चलो सुनाइए हमको कुछ अच्छी सी गजल या कुछ अच्छा सा कोई सॉन्ग, नाइस सॉन्ग. कहाँ गए वो? तो गायब ही हो गए.
हाँ, लग रहा है थोड़ा कनेक्शन इश्यू हो सकता है. चलो वेट करते हैं, अगर वो आ जाते हैं तो ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर.
ज्ञानेश जी, आपने कुछ सवाल पूछा था, मैंने आपका सवाल.
संगीता जी, can you check question?
In between, I will ask the next question from Nimit. How important is flexibility for practicing yoga?
योगा करेंगे तो obviously flexible हो जाएंगे. Flexibility definitely is, but बहुत सारे हमारे bodies, because we are not used to any kind of workout or an exercise regime, तो body stiff हो जाती है, joints stiff हो जाते हैं. So with yoga, definitely, if you are very stiff, yoga will help you to lessen that stiffness. But flexibility, तो कुछ भी करेंगे आप, even mind की flexibility बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है body की flexibility से. हम इतने rigid है mind में, उसको flexible करिए, सब कुछ flexible हो जाएगा आपका. You're so rigid in the mind.
Thank you, ma'am.
Smitaji, there
There-
is yes,
yes,
there is a
there-
message from CA Himanshu Bakshi. He says, Pranam ma'am, so good to see you today. I have been following your meditation videos. I was also one among the co-speakers at the TEDx North Cap University. Please accept
Oh.
my kind regards. CA Himanshu Bakshi.
Arey, how nice to see you. How lovely.
Would CA Himanshu like to switch on his video? We can bring you up to the panelist.
Yeah, please.
Raise your hand.
Kya hua? Where's he gone?
Nothing.
So nice. That time I don't remember what I spoke in TEDx. I spoke about connection with your divinity, with the divine. Yes, Himanshu ji. आइए जरा चेहरा मुखड़ा सुंदर सा दिखाइए तो सही. Good afternoon, good evening.
Are you able to see me?
Now, video on करिए आप.
Just a second.
That's so nice. I mean, this is not what I expect. Hi. Hi. Oh my God, how are you?
All well, all well. It's just a rewind of the memories when you came with Zenobia ma'am for the TEDx Northcast.
Yes, yes. It's nice to see you. Nice to meet you once again.
Pleasure is all mine. Pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to interact with you.
Not at all. You're most
I
welcome.
mean, you had to. It's so nice to see you again, Mr. Himanshu.
Thank you.
He's done a lot of TEDx talks, this guy. Isn't
Himanshu
he?
ji,
Yeah.
namaste, sir.
I've done around 8 of them.
Yeah, he's done a couple of them.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Pranam.
Pranam, pranam. So anything else? Ravi ji, आपका mic mute पे है.
Good job, and thank you. And with this, and now, Sangeeta ji, can we take it over further? Any questions are left?
There's one more which is from CA Gyanesh. He has written, I always experience very fruitful by doing yoga and meditation, but I often feel bored. But I want to do this on daily basis. How one can make it interesting?
इसके लिए मेरे पर कोई जवाब ही नहीं है भाई.
Great.
जो चीज आपको अच्छी नहीं लगती वो बोरिंग लगती है. अगर आपको अच्छी लगेगी तो बोरिंग नहीं लगेगी. अब मुझे कोई बोले कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट में वो नंबर ये सब करो, आई डोंट नो, नंबर्स आते हैं तो अब माइंड बंद ही हो जाता है मेरा. भाई मुझे नहीं आएगा. इट्स सो बोरिंग, आई विल से.
Yeah, Deepak ji, आपकी तरफ से कोई questions?
I think there is one question on the panel that how to block negativity and impact from toxic people.
It's very important nowadays, huh? many bad thoughts and are floating around you.
You know what? हम लोगों को ना जज करने की बहुत बुरी आदत हो गई है. ये पर्सन टॉक्सिक है और सामने वाला आपको भी बोलता होगा ये पर्सन टॉक्सिक है.
Possible.
सो मुझे ऐसे लगता है इंस्टेड ऑफ ब्लेमिंग पीपल एंड सिचुएशंस कि ये टॉक्सिक है, ये ऐसा है, वो वैसा है और ये एनर्जी ऐसी है, हम अपने आप को क्यों नहीं स्ट्रांग बनाते? आप एक टॉक्सिक पर्सन से अलग रहेंगे, अवॉइड करेंगे, लेकिन कितने लोगों से अवॉइड करते, कितने लोगों से अवॉइड करता फिरेंगे? नॉट पॉसिबल, नो? सो व्हाई डोंट यू बिकम स्ट्रांग फ्रॉम इनसाइड सो दैट दिस क्वेश्चन डजंट अराइज? इट ऑलवेज द वर्क इज डन ऑन यू, नॉट ऑन द अदर. स्टार्ट विथ योरसेल्फ. So uplift your spiritual consciousness levels. कोई भी आपको टॉक्सिक नेगेटिव नहीं नजर आएगा. चेंज योर परसेप्शन, नजरिया बदल दीजिए लाइफ की तरफ देखने का.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Sangeeta ji, over to you now.
Thank you everyone. This was really an insightful speech by Smita ji to go or follow the inward journey and always be in the present moment by focusing on the breath. And now I would request CA Ramanand Prabhu to kindly present e-certificate to Smita ji for her excellent presentation.
Thank
And
you.
we are honored and privileged to have you on our first event relating to the Yoga Day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Prabhuji.
much. Thank you
Yeah.
very much, Smita ji. On behalf of the Muscat chapter and Kuwait chapter, we present you this e-certificate as a token of our love and affection, and we look forward to your continued engagement with the chapter once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Really, thank you, honestly. Nice. So keep in touch, guys, and have a stress-less life.
Ma'am, can we have a group photo of all the member with all the team members who are there? Yeah. Okay, Sangeeta. Can you just everybody switch on the cameras who are on the panel list?
Yeah. Himanshu, please, आपका चेहरा भी हमको देखना
Himanshu ji, please join. Please join.
Don't
Just
be-
but horizontal कर लीजिए अपना phone को.
Don't feel shy. Yeah. Okay, great. So we are all on.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will be taking the photo?
Jim also
Thank
already
you.
done.
Thank you. Done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, for joining. Can we
Thank
have
you,
Abhishek,
thank
Abhishek and Smita's team also on the screen?
Abhishek and Isha,
Ah,
ऐसे ही बैठे होंगे दोनों.
yeah. So
I'm
they
very
were
impressed by your
quite.
team as well.
Ah.
I've been seeing them constantly updating, giving the links of whatever you have been speaking. So it's very helpful for us all. Thank you.
So we have
Isha, namaste.
Namaste, everyone.
Agna ji.
Abhishek ji, namaste. Abhishek ji.
Yeah.
Isha is one of my youngest team members.
Yes, Abhishek ji. Namaste, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
And they
Thank you very much.
Even you are supposed to come.
Yeah, sir.
Thank
No,
you.
sir.
One more panelist, Agna ji.
They're very, very efficient. Because of them, I work.
Yeah.
It's all because of ma'am.
Yeah. So, Jim, one more photo with this, the complete team of the Smita ma'am. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much
Smita ji.
for.
छान झालं session.
So we have ma'am, we had a less number of people because of that working day. This is our working day, no? That time now we were expecting our crowd to be more. Usually on weekends, the crowd is very high.
Yeah.
Around 200 people are there attending always. But now during the working day, and actually Kuwait is only, but our crowd is mixed crowd, including all the chapters. We can see that some of the members from Australia, some of the members from USA also joined our event.
Very good. Nice.
Yeah, so we saw them. Thank you, ma'am.
That's Agna ji
Yeah.
from Team
Namaste,
Smita ji Jaikar.
Yeah, thank you.
Isha, Abhishek and Adnya.
Isha ji will come back. We can all be
Okay.
as a team.
Thank you.
Abhishek, can you introduce your team if you want to introduce a minute?
Nothing. I'm Abhishek, and everything is for us. Everything is about Smita ji Jaikar.
Okay, thank you, Smita ji.
इनको कुछ पूछने का मतलब ही नहीं है तो
इनके नाम में ही जयकर है ना तो
Jaikar. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Asa ji. Thank you, the team, Smita ji. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Bye. See you.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Before we end, we will just have a formal vote of thanks.
Yeah.
And for that, I would request CA Gaurav ji to kindly come and give a formal vote of thanks to everyone.
Yeah, Smita ji, thank you very much. Very simple and effective methods.
Thank you so much.
Whenever I attend, I always, think that if I try to get everything, I might. So, I take away from the last 1 hour or so is have a smile always and clap. So that's my takeaways, and I'm sure different people will have different takeaways from the session. Formally, again, thanking you and your team for giving us this wonderful presentation. Thanks to our chairman, C.A. Ravi ji, as well as Deepji from the chapter for organizing this joint event. And thanks to all the committee members of as well as Kuwait chapter. Last but not least, all the participants that are there who have actually participated and also tested your inside the box with their wonderful questions in the end. Really useful session. Thanks everyone for joining today.
Thank you so much. So I'll take your leave. Namaste.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you, madam. छान झालं.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir.
ma'am.
Thank you, Raviji, for organizing and bringing them.
Yeah,
Yeah, we had a very good
we
time.
can stay for 5 minutes. Yeah, our team
Sure.
can stay for 5 minutes. We can have
Yeah,
a
yeah.
speed.
Yes.
Have a talk. So let's have more talk on with our ExCom members.
Can
Your
stop
ExCom members.
the recording,
Yes, we can stop recording.
Yeah, we'll stop the recording.
Jimji.
Yeah.